All right, here's the first Twilight Zone playfield wired and ready to go. This is the Memorex playfield. It's branded because, you know, they want branding. This guy doesn't want branding. He's such a purist. He can't get out of his own way there. He's making a mistake, but I'm like, okay, that's fine. So this one's branded and everything's wired up, and you can't tell, but I've got all the wiring in place for the mods that I chose to use or I could stand to use. And I get somebody help me set it in here because I got these art blades. I got those protectors. I'll slide those in place too. But between the chrome rails, that I'm not going to wrestle this thing in here by myself, even though I normally do. Just know how that will go. Not well. So it looks good. It's neatly wired and it's ready to go. So we'll get that set in the cabinet, and that'll be one down. Then on this one, I just have the lamp harness and a solenoid harness left to do, and they're going in their factory style, no mods, so it'll go a little bit easier. I always do the hard stuff first. Then we can get these old Twilight Zone playfields out of our way. Got two of those. Things are starting to free up. I'm starting to have a bunch of bins open there, some shelf spaces opening up, as you can see over there. More bins opening up, so that opens the door for me to do my shadow project that's back there and start chipping away at those KISS machines now that I got the cabinets in pretty good order. But that's kind of a different series of videos, so we just want to stick with Twilight Zone, and this is where we're at with Twilight Zone. I know it's been a long lag with these, but it's just wiring. I mean, you're just standing there for hours. Wiring playfields, soldering, stripping, crimping, soldering, stripping, crimping, looking at the manual, the switch chart, you know, all that. But there it is, and things will get pretty interesting very soon with these. Let's see what happens. I think I got everything in order. Man, when you got this many mods, it's real hard to tell if everything's plugged in. I don't have this backboard in place, but I think it'll be okay. It's just, you know, everything's there for it, so I don't think that'll be a problem. But we'll find out. We're about to find out together. Hopefully it's off. Okay, it seems to be off. Okay, are you want to find out? Are you ready for this? Okay, we got that auxiliary power supply. Oh man, we got a lot going on here. Fuck it. It's on. Okay. Probably take a few minutes for the sound to boot up. It's a shaker motor. Load the code to that. Do that. Let me see if I got a jump drive in here. Yes. I definitely loaded the code. Okay, there's that. Oh, the clock's broken. Well, no shit. Check a few things. I always like to check the switches first. All right, yeah, I mean, it's off to a good start. Everything seems to be working. Right now, I'm just gonna stick these bulbs in here and just make sure they're working. Yeah. All right. We'll deal with all that later. I want to make sure I got things in order first. I think that's it for today. I got that straight, and it lives. That's the main thing.